Alright, down here at our buddy Mike's. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. He's waiting for me. Yeah, we're going to go pick up an engine. Road King bought an engine and off of one of our YouTube buddies.
What is it?
It's a PB, a Briggs PB.
Oh boy.
I think in 1927. But anyway, he lives about 65 miles away, I think. And he actually offered to meet us halfway, and which is really good because Mike has a lot to do. And I think he's actually meeting us more than halfway. So we're going to go and maybe we'll meet him. We'll see. Maybe he's camera shy, maybe he's not, right? Alright, let's go, buddy. We'll take the taco.
Alright.
I love this little truck. Alright, we got here and here's our little engine. How's it look, Mike?
So it'll be a nice little project for you.
It does. And we're going to need a gas tank for it. And if we can't get a gas tank, I'm going to have to make it. I'm going to need measurements and stuff. So if anybody has a PB or a P, I guess, and you have the measurements of that tank and want to send them to me, that would be great. Because it's not a tough tank to make at all. But yeah, this was our buddy Tim Daugherty. He about 2-3 years back, he gave me a Y and an FH, and he had this up for sale. There he is, right there.
Hey, James.
And this was too good to pass up. Let me get over here because the wind's over this way.
Oh, all right.
So
You're gonna be shooting into the sun then.
you know,
Come on, cameraman.
this is YouTube. It's not National Geographic.
All right.
And Tim has a channel.
Yep.
He probably gave it up because of the critics like Mike.
That's right.
Well, not so much critics, but just time constraints. But I'm going to start making new videos soon. So I have quite a couple new projects I'm getting into. So stay tuned.
All right. Yeah, check him out. He only has about 7 or 8, maybe 11 videos.
Somewhere around.
Something
there,
like
yeah.
that.
I think I
But
deleted one because the editing was really bad on it. But
I don't delete nothing.
yeah.
But he's got one of his collection, and he's got quite a collection of those small engines if you're into that. And it's a lot of the rare. I wouldn't say well, some of them are high dollar, but some of them are real nice, not like Briggs and stuff. What do you got? You got a Foos and
I have
a New Holland, is that, or what's
I
that?
don't have a New Holland. That's actually one on my wish list.
What's that? You had that other one outside the shop.
I have a 7-horse Galloway.
Galloway, that's what it was, a Galloway.
And I had a 4-horse Foos. I actually sold that engine and I got a 2.5-horse Foos in a lot better shape from Portland. I bought that about 2 years ago.
But you got to have at least 20 engines, right? Or more.
Sometimes the collection varies. I mean, goes up or down depending on what I want to get into. Sometimes you fix one up and sell one and get something else that you like. So
Yeah, you got to rotate the stock, right, Mike?
that's a fact. Yep.
All right. Well, maybe we'll take a better look at this when we get back to Mike's house. But I'm real happy with this. Yeah, Tim got hold of me, and I said, man, I got to get that. Because I've been looking. This is a PB, and the P is identical, but it has a little fan on the side for cooling. And I was always looking for one of them, but I'm tickled silly to get one of these. So, all right. So you guys go over there and check out Tim Daugherty. What is it? Tim's Ironworks?
Yes.
Yeah. And I'll leave a link in the description. And he says he's going to start making videos again. And he also has a couple interesting cars. You know, a couple Studebakers and what is that? A 1950 47 Dodge.
1954 Dodge panel.
54 Dodge panel truck, which is rarer than hen's teeth. So, all right. What do you say, guys? Enough of this, Mike? Enough of this. All right. All right. Me and Mike, we're on our way back. We're on our way back with our PB here, and we stopped by to see our buddy Bill. Hey, Bill, say goodbye. Say hi to your friends. Hi. There he is. Dollar Bill. I know we've taken pictures of some of the stuff he has. He's got quite a collection himself, man. You know what he does when something breaks down? He just builds a garage around it.
That's not broke down.
No. I'm just busting his balls. He's a good friend of ours. Looks like you rearranged some stuff since I've been here.
Probably, yes.
Man, oh man.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah. This is cool, Mike. How would that feel driving this around Jacktown?
Ah,
Pretty cool.
automatic.
Yeah? I don't remember seeing that. When'd you get that?
I got that last year.
Did you? Yeah, I haven't been here in a year or
Eddie
two.
Olive had that.
Oh, yeah? Oh, I know. I seen it. Yeah.
Yeah. That's got a 6-cylinder Spicer engine in it.
Wow.
Mine's 6.
Really?
Yeah.
They're bulletproof. Huh. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Look at it.
Right here.
It's like a little tent, a little hotel now. Look at this place.
Yeah.
Oh, look. It's under the garbage can. Oh, look at that. Model FI. It's got the 2 valves set up here. The double shroud. Even got a gas tank. Looks pretty good. How come it's off the mower? That's just the way it came off the mower?
Yeah.
Huh. Was you at the auction?
No, I bought it off of a private guy.
Oh. Where's your mower at?
Right back here.
Bill's trying to unload that on me. You still need your tanks filled, Mike?
I do, yeah.
I need mine. I need one of mine filled.
It's funny, I gotta get my oxyacetylene and my welding gas filled.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, shit's falling all off here. Hold it, Bill.
Yeah.
Hey, the price is dropping. Every time you move this, the price drops another
Let's see.
$100.
That's a cute little mower, isn't it?
It is. It looks like they came off of that thing. I almost stuck my
Yeah.
finger in.
That's what goes on to the,
The shaft, they're just shims.
Coupling.
Yeah.
and this is the crank.
Huh.
Comes over to crank this.
Got to be a neutral in that thing.
It's,
There you go. There you go. Oh, no.
nah.
The other one. Pull the other one back.
Maybe they're
Maybe both of them. Yeah, maybe both of them. Hold it. Both of them got to be disengaged. There we go.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Try it now. Try it now, buddy. No.
I think it still wants to, they might be a little
Yeah, it might be rusting in
Yeah.
place.
Because that should be neutral, but this has
All
to,
right. Yeah.
that has to slide some way.
Well, the price keeps dropping. Keep working on it, Mike.
Ha!
I have no idea. I ain't played with this.
But you can see that's the engine. That's that. You can see
Yeah,
the
that's
little-
where it
Yeah.
mounts.
Yeah, the engine was on there.
Neat little thing.
It looks like it's a heavy goddamn thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything back then was.
Look at the little casters it's got up front.
Yeah. Nice iron casters. You ain't gonna wear them out.
And then the roller on the back, I guess that's the drive part, maybe.
Yeah.
Here's something interesting. An old Fairbanks Morse
It's electric start.
Oh, okay.
compressor.
I got the starter motor off. I got that feed up, and it does turn over. So.
The compressor's attached to the motor. And then they got these tanks on the side here. They built like a little baby pickup bed around it. Yeah, it is. Look, that's where you keep the hoses. And
Right. You
Yeah.
camera in there.
it's funny that everything
Don't
is.
have much storage in the tanks.
Nah, they're small, both small, but you know,
Yeah.
what are you gonna do? Back then it was a lot. They probably never had nothing big enough to, you know.
Right.
Pretty cool. What year, Mike? What do you think?
I would say it had to be from the 50s.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, easy. Late 40s, early 50s. Very cool. Very cool, Bill.
Yeah, air cleaner.
That don't look that old. That looks relatively
I know.
new.
I know.
Huh.
And it had a little gas tank on it.
Oh, yeah?
That was bad. I took that off.
Very cool. It's an old Onan. Mike likes it because look at it. It's a Survivor. Got the original
Yeah, this
lettering on it.
This side, too.
emblems and everything. What's this, early 50s, Mike?
Let's see.
Well, Mike will tell me the exact date it was made.
That the January of 55.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
We could just ask him.
15B.
Sometimes I forget who I'm talking to. I'm not gonna go around here, man. They got always sticker bushes. What's this? This ain't briar, is it? Sticker bushes. I got one attached to my leg. Look at the tires, man.
Yeah, look at the tires.
That's crazy. They're all cracked up, but still holding there. Implement tires.
It's even got a leaf spring under it.
Yeah, I seen that.
I towed this back from Sickleville.
What are you gonna do with it? Nothing, right? Why don't you just give it to Mike?
I don't know yet.
He's gonna help you clear out.
I know.
All right. We didn't expect to bring this home with us.
To put them things.
We didn't expect to bring this home with us, but Bill gave us such a good deal on him, we couldn't turn him down. And then he threw in this little 2-horse. We got plans for something like that. And then he threw in this cart, a nice little cart.
I don't think so.
No? Oh, okay. The cart don't go with it, but we tried. All right. Always fun coming down here to see Bill. You always got something, always something new going on. Goes to a lot of auctions. He knows a lot of dead people. So, all right, maybe we'll see you back at Mike's and put an end to this. All right, back at Mike's here, and I didn't plan on bringing all this back, but you know, sometimes you have to. Our buddy Bill gave us an unbelievable great deal on that FI, and he gave me the lawnmower with it. You know, Mike likes the lawnmower better than he likes the engine.
Yeah.
Look, it's a Cooper, and that's a nice big thick aluminum plate. Neither one of have ever heard of that, but Marshalltown, I've heard of Marshalltown. They make trowels and stuff for concrete. So that's about it. You know, I'm gonna have to take this home and unload it. And I know you guys like these road trips, so that's the only reason I filmed it.
Yeah.
But tomorrow, me and Mike are going on another road trip, and he's actually going to work on something, and you guys will really enjoy that. What is it, Mike? A steam generator?
Well, it doesn't generate steam,
But it's
a
run off.
generator
Yeah.
powered by a steam engine. Yeah.
Okay, that should be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never even heard of that. So, do you need a special license for that?
You don't need a license. I mean,
Yeah.
if you were going to run it on, if you were going to have a high pressure boiler, you would need a boiler
Yeah.
operator's license. But he's going to run it on compressed air.
Oh, okay. Interesting. You're always learning something.
Yeah.
So, all right, I'm going to take this home and try and unload it, and we'll go from there. Like I said, you guys, I need the dimensions. I needed either a gas tank for this, PB, or I need all the dimensions, you know, I think it only goes from one side of this bracket to the other. And it looks to be maybe 4 inches, 4.25 inch tank. But I'd like the exact measurements so I can fabricate one and put something on there that looks original. That muffler's original, Mike. That's pretty interesting.
Yeah, yeah. And it's strange because it looks like if the exhaust come out the bottom, but that's just the bracket.
Right. That just holds it in.
It just shoots out that little hole on the side.
Comes out the side
Very
here.
strange.
Yeah. I'm going to call it original.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Yeah. All right. What do you guys say?
Enough of it.
Enough of this. All right.